Central Indiana real estate expert. And today, I'm coming to you from the woods at Indian Lake, specifically 6602 Colville Circle here in Indianapolis, just outside of Geist. To start with, it's a ranch, it's got an unfinished basement, and it's got a large bonus room upstairs. It's a 3-car garage home. You're on a cul-de-sac and you have a beautiful wooded lot. And this home is only 2 years old, just built by MI. So as you can see, we're coming to you from the kitchen. And the kitchen, it's a beautiful kitchen. You've got a large granite countertop in the center island. You got beautiful staggered height cabinets, beautiful appliances, a large pantry. The kitchen overlooks a breakfast area and a large great room area with a gas fireplace. You've also got, on this side of the house, you've got 2 bedrooms and a full bath. And on the other side, since it's a split floor plan, you've got the master area. The master bedroom has cathedral ceilings, a beautiful bay window overlooking the back of the home. The master bath has a beautiful walk-in glass and tile shower. And of course, you've got a walk-in closet. Downstairs, you've got plenty of room. It has got rough-ins for its own bath, so if you want to finish the basement, you can definitely do that. And upstairs, you've got a 500 square foot loft / bonus area. So for more information on this house, give me a call, Tony Janko, 317-414-9355. And don't forget, keep watching the rest of this video for the professional photos. Thanks.